One of the most common dental treatment in demand today is scaling, which is removal of plaque and calculus from different parts and surfaces of the teeth. Unicorn DenMart recognizes this need and has introduced a marvelous and a superior product, which is Woodpecker DTE D5 Ultrasonic Piezon Scaler. This new and latest product from Woodpecker effectively removes stains and calculus from the various parts of the tooth surfaces and gives patients a reasons to smile. The DTE D5 scaler works on 3 different modes, that is scaling, Perio and the Endo mode. The modes are easily selectable by simply pressing the selection control. The handpiece extension is easily detachable and can be sterilized conveniently at 135 degrees Celsius. The scaler is armed with 5 different tips and 1 endo attachment to tackle different procedures with ease. The tip surface is coated with special material that makes the tip extra durable and efficient. The DTE D5 scaler has a built-in automatic microprocessor controlled frequency tracker which automatically tunes the scaler to match the force being applied on the area of operation. This leads to effective removal of toughest stains and calculus with minimum force and discomfort to the patient. The advanced ergonomic compact design utilizes minimum space and is easy to maintain and is durable. All operations of the scaler are digitally controlled, making it one of the most efficient scaler available in the market. The scaler is available in 4 color options, providing a multiple choice to the dental establishment to pick the color matching their interiors. The scaler works at a frequency range of 28,000 to 32,000 Hz, assisting the user to work effortlessly, available in both optic and non-optic models. As people today are getting much conscious about the looks and look forward to a healthy set of teeth, which forms an important part of their personal grooming and appearance, scalers here play an important role in removal of plaque and stains from the teeth and in much demand in the dental community.